Netflix has no chill. Let me show you why. Stay tuned. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The speaker's opinions should not be considered as advice from a licensed professional. Viewers should not use this content as a specific inducement to make investments or follow strategies, but rather as an expression of opinion. Follow the rest of the disclaimer, but please do your own research. What up, Tycoons? This is Tycoon Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing stock market education to help others achieve financial success. Now, you'll see the Netflix monthly chart we have up here. So when Netflix started dropping, we already knew what time it was because we looked on the macro, weekly, and the monthly charts, and we actually saw that around this area was the time to hop in, tentatively, by the way. So we called that out in our exclusive trading group over a year ago, and now you can see it actually reached above where we thought it was going to reach above time, leaps, patience. We're not doing microwave money. We want the longevity. So you'll see, I think we get to this liquidity right here, which is between 637 and 696. So I'm thinking Netflix, just from the technical analysis, looking straight at the numbers, it looks like Netflix is going to get between 637 and 696 before it ultimately pulls back. Okay, so we could pull back to around 450, 460. So in my opinion, we could have a nice little uptrend into this area. Okay, so if you got time, you can grab like some contracts for, in between 650 and in between like 650 and 690, in my opinion, depending on what your expiration is. But we could possibly pull back to, somewhere around here. Actually, let me put that a little closer. You never know when it's somewhere around here. So I'm thinking we pull back to somewhere around like 526. And then we pull back again to around between 526 and 443. So those would be my long-term kind of bearish targets. Let's say we get up in here. We get up in here in between 637 and 696. That's when you take your profit, or you look at it to see if it could bust through and create a new all-time high, because it's right there at 696. Like the all-time high is 799. So basically it hits 701, brand new all-time high. Looks like that's what it wants to do, but just in case it doesn't, we have our, contingency plan. So we could hit that area, could create an all-time high and still pull back in order to go higher. That's my opinion on Netflix. So you want to watch that area. Once again, 637 to 696. If you're not in it right now, it's fine. Don't get FOMO, but just understand if you go down to the daily, this probably isn't one of those stocks that just goes straight up. It's going to grind, as you can see, grind. So right now, personally, I think it's a good entry because we still see evidence of bullishness. Now, if it does any further droppage, any further bearishness, then we would be looking at more of a bearish standpoint. But for right now, I see how we still could reverse to get above 628. Okay, so we want to get above 628, 628 area in order to exceed that and get straight to that 637 to 696 area. All right, so what you're looking at is you want it to get above 628. Above 628, we get to that area 637 to 696. If you went at the money, you're good depending on your expiration, and that is what I'm looking at for Netflix. It has no chill. Make sure you join our free newsletter, The Tycoon Blueprint. Invest smarter, grow faster. All you have to do is click the link below and provide your email to subscribe. Don't forget to join our exclusive trading and investing community, where we provide a blend of technical analysis and cutting-edge AI technology like AI-powered stock predictive flow channels. We have the crypto alerts for breakouts. We have the stock option callouts by AI. They even give you the strike price and the expiration, along with several other features. We also have the trade suggestions from ourselves, the stock suggestions, leap suggestions, callouts from ourselves, economic data updates, and much more. Make sure you click click the link below to join. Here's some of the profits from our trading group. We have from 20% all the way up to 4,000%. Now that's an anomaly, but we also have a couple 100% right here, 500, 160 right here. We also have 50%. So we look forward to seeing you in our trading group so you can get some profit as well. Also, whether you're an expert trader in need of a little help, or if you're a novice and you've never traded before, you want to get our accelerated trading course just for $19.97. We have 3 sections in there: foundation, framework, and finishes. Also having a bonus section with a lot of material that can help you with the investment journey, and it comes with a few ebooks. So this keeps it really simple, hones in on how you can make money now and in the future in the market. So this is really essential if you want to learn and grow. So accelerated trading course, only $19.97. You want to grab that. Lastly, if you or someone you know is interested in futures trading, click that link below for Apex Trader Funding and the promo code. Input that promo code for 80% off. Now, if you don't have a ton of money, you can get access to between $25,000 and $300,000 per account. All you have to do is pay a small monthly fee, but with the promo code, you'll get 80% off. If you get 20 accounts for $300,000, that's $6 million in trader funding. And all you have to do is pay $2,000 a month. So you get access to $25,000 for your first withdrawal. And after that, you'll get 90% of the profits that you make. So once again, click that link below, put the promo code in, start trading now.